Show me the money. Let's pull this up on here as soon as notifications go out. I'm not seeing it. Here it is. So I can read comments. Error occurred. Typical. Show me the money. See some people in there. Comment if you can hear me. Let me have this off. Hopefully this is working. I'm not sure. Give me a comment, somebody. Get a thumbs up, something. Are we live? Because it's not working on my end. Okay, yo, okay, you got me? David Jones, welcome. What's up, Daniel? How's it going? Watching from Barbados. Sweet. Sweet. Yeah, I'm just sitting here doing some embroidery. Been embroidering shirts. How's that look, or is it backwards on your end? What's up, Snore Lord? I'll tell you right now, if any members come in, we'll wait a couple minutes. Yo, big brother. Michael Fields, how are you? Oh, here we go. No, it's backwards, huh? Well, at least I can read the comments now. So, building wealth. Hey, easy money. Ratman Roden, right? You know, I've taken a lot of slack over the years. You probably have too, Ratman. It's like, you know, people look at you and judge you and say, well, you know, it's easy for you because you have money. And I'm sure Ratman will give me the thumbs up right now that it wasn't always that way. It took a lot of hard work, proper investments. We just weren't sitting on the porch drinking beer one night and get up and say, oh, I'm going to have money tomorrow. That doesn't happen that way. Damn it, I'm choking. So one of the things, I don't know, some of you know, I'm pretty heavy in the stock market, goofing around with it. We've done well with index funds over the years. And I ran across a group called True Trading Group. Good afternoon, John Dallenheight. I'm going to have something for you here in a minute. And they have a web page. And you know, I'm not getting paid by them. Anybody I promote on here, like the heated wiper blades, they offer to pay me. No, thank you. No, just you have a great product. I'm just going to promote you. Trucker Path offer to pay me. No, thank you. Pass it on to my subscribers. Give them a discount. True Trading Group, you know, I just joined it myself after doing lots of due diligence. So I'm still figuring out myself. But if you're looking to build wealth and you're curious, because I know a lot of you are, I know Snore Lord, I've heard it from you, you know, what the hell is cryptocurrency? What the hell is this? What the hell is that? It's a good platform for teaching you the stock market, teaching you how to invest. There's help on there. There's all kinds of moderators. During the trading day, they have a live chat room going with their moderators doing their trades. And up on the screen, they have live what they're looking at on the stock market and what their moves are, and you're watching them as they're doing it live. So big help for building wealth. Hell yeah, who doesn't want to build wealth? You want to build wealth? Snoolord, you want to build wealth? Oh, this isn't working again. Typical. Snore has some money in Robinhood. I think I'm up $1. So, that's one of the things about like all these online brokerages make it real easy for you to sign up, and you can, watch all these idiot YouTubers that just listen to them buy this and buy this. It's going up $20 tomorrow. This and that. No, that's not the proper way to do this. AMC, I'm going to be rich. I'm going to be rich. No. No. You may get lucky and make a few bucks, but you may not get so lucky. You may buy at the wrong spot and lose a few bucks. So that's, one of the good things about playing with stocks is, if you buy something, if you buy something for $10 and it goes down to 8, you only lost $2. So no matter whatever your initial investment was, you bought 10,000 shares, you lost, well, you lost quite a bit there. So you buy 100 shares, it's not like you went to the roulette wheel and threw 10 grand on black and walked away with 0. Even if you lose, you get out quick enough, you don't lose a lot. But if you gain, you gain. But this particular group teaches you how to do it. So I mostly joined for the insight of like-minded people, some fresh ideas. I'm up 4 o'clock every morning researching companies, doing blah, blah, blah. My wife will tell you, I just don't sleep. It's part of my MO. But yeah, check it out. They're going to have a live stream tonight at 8:30, I think. And the one guy that's going to do the live stream, he used to work for a hedge fund. He was a trader of the year. Actually, I was on their message board earlier today, and one of the CEOs of the company, Adam, they were doing some Q&A on crypto, and they're setting up a whole crypto separate from their normal, the True Traders group. But they're going to be live on YouTube at 8:30. Check that out, Steve. And I was like, yeah, I'll go promote you on my YouTube. And they're like, what's your YouTube? And I told him, Provost Motorsports Trucking. He's like, no way. He says, I'm subscribed to you. What a small world. Go figure. I don't know if he's subscribed for the Porsche racing aspect of it or the trucking or who the hell knows. But anyways, there's literally a plethora of information on there that you can get lost in. They have courses, and it starts off with the basics, terms, blah, blah, blah. Goes right up to showing you how to read charts, showing you how to do everything. The True Traders Group is their channel, and that's their webpage. I think it's TTG. It might be TTG. I'm not sure. Type in True Traders Group. It'll come up. So, any members on here? I know John's on here. Who else? We haven't heard from Les in a while. Let me see who else is on here. Ratman subbed to me for the Mustang Racing. Still waiting. Well, you're going to wait a long damn time for that. I could tell you that right now. However, that new Audi RS7. Have you checked that out, Ratman? Oh, yeah. All right, Daniel, put up the link. I'll click on it and I'll tell you. Yep, that's it. That's it, Daniel. Thank you, son. So if you're a member of my channel, I've been making t-shirts all day. Let me go get the other one. And Rapman, you still haven't texted me your address because your shirt's still, the pit shirt's still sitting under here. I know this is backwards, but these are t-shirts. This is on the back. You know, it's just a blank t-shirt, Provost. It's one of our pit shirts. I got black and I've got, I guess this is gray and black. This is black and orange. So if you're a subscriber, and you're not a subscriber, if you're a member, send me your shirt size and your address to, pay close attention because I'm not going to put this on here for everybody, to freight@provostmotorsports.com. That's freight@provostmotorsports.com. Members. Of course, you know, Pale Rider will get one, but Daniel already got one. And I got some larger sizes too. I can make them for some of my larger buddies. That's it, Daniel. So send me your shirt size and your address, and I'll make the wife Provost ship you one out. What size are you, Pale Rider? Are you 3X now? Shots fired. I already have your address. I could send you one. The XL seemed pretty damn big. I don't know. Man, I had this XL. It looks like, and it's like a shower curtain. Who knows? You wash it once and but sweet. So yeah. Members, anybody, if you talk to Les, Pale Rider, or Snore Lord, tell Les to send me his address. I'll send him a shirt as well. So that's it. Just quick little live feed. Not a big trucking channel, just truck and talk tonight. Just help on building wealth. Because I hear that from a lot of people. It's just, you know, what do I do? I don't know what to do. 2X for future growth. So I'm giving you a platform to build wealth. And I think their price is going up. It's not cheap. You can join for $3 and get in there and check it out and see if it's going to be of value to you or not. If not, if you're going to go just willy-nilly, you're going to be on Webull, try to just throw your money at some index fund or at the S&P 500 or something guaranteed growth. Has been, well, not guaranteed, but has done well over the years for me. Yeah, I've never known what to do. So this is going to be an investment in your future, and I guarantee you, even if you do like I do, you know, I don't sit and day trade. I mostly swing trade. You know, I buy them, hold them for a day, 2 week, 2 weeks, and I'm following them as I'm driving down the road in the truck, and you know, and I can put a sell order in with my limits before I start driving, or something crazy goes on, and I could pull over and sell them or buy. I think I heard you say you kept your fifth wheel all the way back. Why is that? Because the for weight on the front axle, I only have a 12.2 front axle, and with half a tank of fuel and that generator hanging off the front, and well, it's not off the front, it's in the middle, but you know, that thing's 400 pounds. All the rest of my crap in there, yeah, my front axle will be overweight. So that's not good. They go by the sticker, you know. So even though nobody's ever checked, I did have the one when they were busting me for the US on the DOT thing. He was staring at that sticker, but he didn't have portable scales or anything. He refused to do a level 1 because he's like, the truck's new. I'm not laying under there finding this. And I was like, come on, you're here, do it. Gonna be a jerk, go all the way. Dig. So that's the only time I've ever had a DOT guy look at the sticker, and he was training another guy, so he was probably just showing him where the sticker was, blah, 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 blah. But, so you notice most of the time when I go get fuel, I got to keep it around a half a tank, which is still, you know, I have twin 150s, so it holds 300 gallons, so half a tank's still 150 gallons, which is plenty. So you drive all damn day and part of the next on 150 gallons in that truck. So that's why it slid all the way back. Now, if you had the 13.2 front axle, the sweet spot on a Volvo, I think, is 39 inches from the back of the cab to the trailer. So that's where you want to set that setup as. Email sent, but came back as failed. Check Daniel link. Where is Daniel's link? Michael Jackson, how are you? Oh, no, 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 no. It's freight at Provost Motorsports with an S.com, not Provost Motorsport Freight.com. Take the freight off, make it Motorsports with an S. Yeah, he's got it. Anybody sending me some bullshit emails, prepare to get some bullshit back. Yeah, Daniel got it wrong the first time. Try again, John. So yeah, that's it. Just build them well. Promote their page. Check them out. They're going to be on at 8:30. It's worth a watch. You can see what they do. No worries, Daniel. No worries. Yeah, it should be pretty good. People in the chat are all knowledgeable. I think they said they have like an 80% success rate, and 20% are struggling, but they won't leave you behind. So if you're part of their group and you're struggling, you're gonna get extra help and attention from everybody, not just the moderators, because they want to see everybody succeed. Hold on, don't end it yet. Why's that, Daniel? I gotta eat dinner and drink a couple beers. So I'm finally starting to lose again. Been eating pretty strict keto for a couple weeks. Oh, did you text Les D, Daniel? And I'll leave this up because you know, most of the members aren't even on here. Two other ways to build wealth. One, lottery. Two, gimme, 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 gimme. Yeah, that works. Put your hand out. Gimme, gimme. I told my kids, you know, where's it written that when I die, I'm supposed to leave you guys all $5 million each? Because if that's the case, somebody owes me, and we need to go collect. So, yeah, and I know I take a lot of slack on, I got it. Just came in. I got it. About you know, the way I run my trucking business and snowboard, even though I wasn't on your live feed, I watched the replay, and there's, you know, there's many ways to do it. There's, and be successful. I just go after the most money I can. So if I'm going to work, I want it all. I want to be as efficient as I possibly can, and I want to be as the most profit as I possibly can. Now, I could probably be a lot more profitable if I deal with some of these fly-by-night brokers that are paying $9 a mile out of California, but you know, then you're rolling the dice, A, where they're getting paid, and then that goes into the whole factoring thing. But even though, you know, they're paying you, there's still recourse, so you may have to give it back, and there's all kinds of shit involved with that. But anyways, whether you're going to get paid or not, B, the fly-by-night brokers, are they going to answer their phone at 3 o'clock in the morning when you need a lumper check? Probably not. So I could probably be more profitable if I started dealing with these fly-by-night brokers, and I can wait the 30 days to get paid from them, but I just choose not to. I'll deal with the big houses, and if they're paying close, and they're all paying good right now, it's kind of hard not to get paid. Do it. But I won't be trucking for, I still have another video probably put it up next Friday, finish up my Miami trip. And wait till you see that dock. Holy smokes. I'll never do that load again. I think that was the worst by far. You had to back in off a busy street into this dock with poles right next to the busy street. And you just had to, you know, just kind of, it's just like an offset. I mean, that part wasn't bad, except for that where you had to cut the wheel to offset it, your tractor was across the street in those people's parking lot where there was a stop sign and some other poles, and of course some broken glass, you know, that kind of stuff. So you had to jockey it just right, get in. And when I had the trailer in the dock, finally and straight, my tractor was still at least 10 feet into the people's property across the street, and then disconnect, of course, and then trailer still hanging halfway out the road. But it was interesting, and I videoed it. So that'll be coming up next week. So, all right, I'm gonna get out of here. Just a quick live stream to tell you to go check out the True Traders group later on at 8:30 and get some insight. I'm not telling you to join, do whatever, but I know a lot of you guys that are on here have always asked me on Zello, everywhere else, you know, what do you do? What are you doing? You know, so this will answer it. Why do I have to wait, Daniel? Dinner's ready, man. Keto, too. Ah, Daniel. Daniel wants a shirt. Oh. All right, Daniel. Send me your shirt. Well, I know what you're like a 3X now, right? So I'll have to make you a 3X. I do have them. I have one that'll fit you too, Snowlord. I know you're not a 3X. You're smaller than that. But yeah, I got them. So I'll ship them out. So all right, so that's it. Building wealth, man. You can sit around playing golf like I do. Just take some discipline and some time and some effort. Effort. Hell yeah. So later.